about prehistoric times. It's so interesting. What is this book about? Prehistoric primitive tribes were spread around vast and wild regions.
There. It's been a while since we've caught our last mammoth.
Yeah, I'd like some mammoth to eat with syrup.
In these prehistoric times, it was difficult to find a mammoth.
We've been out of stock with mammoths since last week. Sorry, I can't help you guys.
So it looks like we'll have to go hunt.
It was hard to hunt down a mammoth. Because they usually didn't even notice that they were being hunted.
We have to find some other way. I'm tired.
There were other severities around. The hostile tribes. The tribes had to defend themselves.
Yeah.
The weather was unpredictable.
Hey!
Look, the mammoth is near.
It means it's gonna rain.
Just let them invent the weather forecast already.
There was nothing much to do during the day, so mammoth hunting was the only way to fight boredom. But sometimes it was the other way round. As you see, being a prehistoric and primitive person was very, very complicated.
Aha!
Therefore, the prehistoric people invented something important: schools. At schools, they learned how to stop being primitive and become educated. Finally, they developed into really civilized trains. It's really great to be civilized. Hey! What? Oh.
Hey friends, press to subscribe and watch the new episodes. Pam param pam pam. Pam param pam pam. Hey George, wake up!
My wagons.
Hey, come on, the sun is high. Hey, are you still snoring? Still snoring, yeah.
What? It's mine. What you made me do?
Come on, don't take it so hard.
What happened to make you come so early? To scare me to death? Look at you, my best friend.
I couldn't wake you up. What did you dream about? Come on, tell me, huh?
Where are you going? Oh, my wagons. I was
screaming that I was the strongest in town. And I thought to myself, it's so good, it's so very good to be a train. And then you came in and ruined everything.
I didn't ruin anything. Wagons are boring. You should have dreams that you fly in, as I do.
Again?
Yes, again. And you know what? I've been thinking of becoming a plane.
You what?
I need to know what it's like to really fly, you know? For now, these mind-blowing dreams don't let me sleep a wink.
Hey, don't be silly.
Hey, George, don't fail me. Please, I beg you. Can you think of something? You may not be the strongest train I know, but you're certainly the smartest of the trains.
The end of the trail.
No, it's not over.
You remember the theory, right?
Come on, it's easy. Clear the prop.
You remember the instructions?
I know, George. Stop bugging me. Let's do this.
What about safety rules? Oh, what about precautions?
Woo-hoo! Ha-ha! Hoo!
Ethan! Ooh!
Ow, 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 ow! Oh, oh, oh!
How's that?
It's scary. It's high and scary. I'm going all
What did I
over the
tell you
place.
about the instructions?
Oh, George! George!
What is it?
Do you know how to land this thing?
Yes, I do. Theoretically, that is. But I've never flown myself.
I flew. I really did. But only in my dreams.
You throttle down, Ethan. You extend the flaps.
In my dreams, it was much easier, though.
Ethan, you're not a plane. You are a train. Pulling wagons is not that bad, actually.
Yes, my dear friend. I think I'm getting it now. Hey, where are you taking my wings, George, huh?
I'm taking these to the trash.
Stop. Can't you see? Even a train sometimes needs to fly high. Can I have my wings, please? See you later, my dear friend. And thank you so much for my first real flight ever.
See ya. Those train or planes, who knows what's in their mind?
Hi, guys. Oh, I'm terribly late for my dance class. Don't disorient me. How are you doing?
Hello there, Vera. It really is bad to be late. Therefore, we won't hold you back any longer.
And we're doing fine. We bought a new game called The Adventures of the Trainsformers.
Oh, it must be shooting and stuff. And I like the game, with enchanted castles, a prince and a princess, and their wedding in the end, and...
Vera, how late are you already?
When I met you, I was late for 2 minutes. Oh no, what have you done, you guys? Now I'm late for 5 whole minutes.
Oh dear, what have we done, Ethan? We must help her.
Yeah, but how?
I've got an idea.
So if I understand you correctly, you want to stop all the clocks in Train City for 5 minutes? Is that correct?
Yeah, Mr. Clockface, please. Please, it's only for 5 minutes. Vera won't be late that way.
The train city is so big, and 5 minutes aren't a very long time, you know. No one would ever notice. Oh, please, could you help us?
So what you're saying is that you think nobody would notice those 5 minutes, right? All right, then, let's just picture this for a moment, shall we?
La, I have guests today. Oh, it's time to take the cake out. It's been 5 minutes sharp. Oh! I'm burning! I'm burning! Water! I need water!
Oh, let's hear the weather forecast for today, huh?
And windy. It has been our weather broadcast for tomorrow. You are
Windy?
listening to...
Darling, I'm going to take a quick shower before work.
Remember, in 5 minutes, they're closing the water to repair the pipes.
I've got plenty of time, a whole 5 minutes. La 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 la. La 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 la. Hey, what's going on? Where's all the water?
Yeah. Mr. Clockface was right. Poor Mrs. Dove with her cake. And my dad, he was late for work.
And poor Grandpa Billy with the weather broadcast.
But George, what about Vera? We didn't help her, did we?
Hi there, guys.
Vera? Were you very late?
I wasn't late at all. I got confused. Actually, my dancing class is tomorrow.
Tell me, Ethan, who would be the most disoriented person in the whole of Train City? Huh?
I think that would be Vera.
Of course it's Vera.
What if I read my love fortune about Sam Sparky? He loves me not. He doesn't care. He kisses a lot. He'll hold me tight. He'll send me to depot. What does that mean, I wonder? But why? Sam Sparky, I read on a daisy that you're going to send me to depot. Why would you do that? What did I do wrong?
Leave me alone, Vera. I'm writing.
No, answer me.
You know what? Go to depot.
So I see the daisy was right. Hey guys, now I can finally and truly determine what guys think about me.
Oh, that's so interesting. You created a machine that reads the mind?
I don't need any machines for that. Look here. First, you need to name a guy. Let's say that it's George. Okay. He loves me not. He doesn't care, he kisses a lot. He'll hold me tight, he'll send me to depot. He loves me. So you love me.
Oh, this is nonsense.
It's true, daisies don't lie. You're in love with me. It's wonderful, I've got a new admirer.
No, I'm not in love. Just stop it. Anyway, this is not scientific. What can a silly flower know?
Hey, George, come on out. Forget about this daisy. Come on, really.
Let's find out about you. So, Ethan. He loves...
Who does she think she is? Science denies it. Those daisies don't know the truth. It just doesn't make any sense.
You don't love me?
That's not
Why?
true.
One of you loves me. And the other one doesn't love me whatsoever. I'm really hurt.
The most surprising thing to me is that now she's offended by me.
We must show her our calculations, and she will see.
And she'll understand that she was mistaken. If she understands.
She will understand how wrong she really is.
Let's give her a pretty bow to make her feel better, just in case. And maybe she'll stop being silly.
That's it. I'll never speak with the boys anymore.
Vera, I want to show you proof then you are wrong.
Yeah, right. You want to prove that I'm incorrect? What boy in the whole wide world can tell that he's in love?
This is all stupid, Vera.
You don't love me? Everything I do for you, you just think is nonsense.
You know what? If you believe in those stupid daisies, let me read it. She loves me not. She loves me not. She doesn't care, she kisses a lot. She'll hold me tight, she'll send me to depot. She loves me not. She does care, she kisses a lot. Aha, I got you!
Oh, that's right, my friend. So, either say that reading your love fortune on daisies is silly or kiss George.
Okay, I believe you. Daisies are silly. I'm not gonna kiss anyone.
Hooray! So, we're good now? This is a present as a sign of our friendship.
This is so romantic. Thank you, guys.
Wow, she kissed me anyway. Well, I think I need to get to know daisies better.
Hey, friends, press to subscribe and watch the new episodes. Hey, George, are you coming to play? Hey, George! Poor George. George got an electric shock.
Scary, isn't it? This is my new invention. It's called George 2000. He's my twin robot. He will do the house cleaning for me.
Oh, George, you're a genius.
How do you manipulate him? With a remote. Just see this. George is good for nothing. Sorry, wrong button. Here, George is the most hardworking little train in the world.
I think the first phrase was a bit more accurate.
So you wanted to play outside? Okay, George, house cleaning mode. Okay, let's go now.
Well, the great Professor George. He created something special, a robot.
Good afternoon.
What is going on here, eh?
Can I water the flowers, please?
Kid, watering flowers is a very serious business. But I see you are a very responsible little train. Why don't you go on and do it? And in the meantime, I will take a nap, and I can really use one. Hey, what's going on now? George, what have you done?
Grandpa Billy, I brought you some cakes.
Grandpa Billy, what's going on here? Whoa!
Who's disturbing the peace here?
It's George. It's George. It's all his fault, I tell you.
Well. Where's this naughty kid, then?
There he is. Stop him now.
George, here!
Oh, dear me. They're identical. Now tell me who made the mess in Grandpa Billy's garden.
It was all my twin robot. Honestly, it's not my fault at all. No, he is my twin robot. Liar, you are the twin. I am George. No, I am George. No, I am. 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 No, I am.
No, I am.
No, I am.
I am.
No, I am.
It's me.
No, I am. Oh, sorry. Did you drop this? Run! Oh, George. What have you done now?
Now I know for sure, guys. I guess I have to clean my room by myself.
Let's all sit by the fire in the evening.
Yes, let's all tell horror stories.
Oh, poor me. I washed a truck full of curtains. How would I dry them? There's a school inspection tomorrow. I'll spread them and run around to let the wind dry them up. Oh, poor me.
Look at us here. We have to get dry as well.
Ooh! Ooh!
It's time for horror stories. Are you ready for this?
Well, I'm out of here.
Hey, where are you going, huh?
All horror stories are stupid. If you've been prepared in advance, then you won't be scared.
Come on, are you scared or what?
No, I'm not scared at all.
If you're not scared, then go to the lake and come back. Do it right now and show us.
And make sure you're not afraid of ghosts.
Ghosts don't exist anyway. You'll see, I'll show you.
George, don't go too far away, please.
Watch me. I'll go to the lake and I'll come back.
George doesn't believe in horror stories. He's so boring.
Hey, listen, why should we be scared of some ghosts?
Right, we wouldn't be scared. But if we were him, of course.
Oh, nothing to be scared of. Ghosts don't exist. I know that because I'm not afraid of anything. Science denies the existence of ghosts. Oh. Phew. Hallucination.
A ghost! Ghost! Hey, what are we? Are we scared of these tents?
I've got a question, guys. Who was it that gave me such a terrible fright in the forest?
We haven't been in the forest.
Is that Mrs. Duff?
Oh, it's so cold here. Oh, and it's so cold here, and to think that I've washed a truck full of curtains. I need to dry them up until tomorrow. That's when the school inspection comes.
Mrs. Duff, let me help you, please.
Ghosts don't exist. They don't. Ghosts don't exist. They don't.
Hey, friends, press to subscribe and watch the new episodes. Hey, George, what are you doing?
I'm thinking about my plans for the weekend. To search for treasure or to catch the wind.
Forget about your plans. We are going to go fishing.
Did you say fishing?
Yeah, my dad is going to take us with him to go fishing.
Really?
Let's go. We need to prepare the fishing rods.
Ethan, have you ever gone fishing before?
This is my first time.
So tell me, do you know what bait we should use?
Hey there, guys.
Vera, hi there.
Hello there, Vera.
Hey, guys, where are you going?
Well, we are going to go fishing.
What do you say? Are you really going to go fishing together?
Yes, with real fishing rods and everything.
Uh-huh.
Will you, take me with you?
Well, we'll need to think about it.
No need to think at all. Fishing is not for girls, so that's that then.
But why? But why is that?
Because only real trains go fishing, Vera. That's the way it is. Sorry about that. Come on, George, let's go. We have a very important day tomorrow.
So only real trains go fishing? We'll see about that.
We've been here for an hour at least. And we haven't caught a single fish, Dad.
We just need to have some patience, Ethan.
Ba-ba-da-ba-ba-ba-ba-da.
Quiet. You'll scare the fish away, boys.
So fishing is when you sit down and don't even talk to anybody?
Yes. You have to sit, my boy, patiently. Just wait and think. Look, just like George.
Well, fishing is so boring. No singing and no talking. No fish at all. Fishing without fish. What a bore. I'm gonna go look for something to do. Hooray! Ha-ha-ha! Now I know where big fish are to be found. This is so great. You can even catch it without using a rod. Well, we have to do something creative. Wow-wee! Yeah! Turn on the engines. I'm gonna catch the biggest fish ever. My father and George will be so surprised. There are so many fish here. It's really great. Wow, this is what I call real fishing. I'll stay right where I am. There are so many fish over here. And they can jump right into my boat. This is so much fun. What is that noise? Where is it coming from? Oh, it's a dam.
Ethan and George will be very surprised when I catch some fish all by myself. He won't say silly things anymore, like only real trains can catch fish.
Help me, please.
Ethan, where are you going?
I'm not the one. It's the stream that's pulling me, Vera.
Oh, there must be a dam ahead. Ethan, you have to turn on your engines upstream.
That's right. Oh boy, I should have guessed that for myself. Oh, 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 oh. Oh boy, oh boy. Vera, please help me.
I'm coming, hold on. What can I do? Think, Vera, just think.
Vera!
Ethan, open the sail now. The sail. Hooray, you're okay, Ethan, hooray.
Thank you so much, Vera. If it wasn't for you...
But Ethan, anyone would do the same thing that I did.
Listen, when you're fishing, the most important thing is just to sit. Sit patiently. Just wait and think.
You mean like they are?
Hey, friends. Press to subscribe and watch the new episodes.